In this video, I will show you how to change your bid strategy on Google Ads. To do this, just open up Google Ads and in the left menu go Campaigns and then click on the Campaigns dropdown and from there also click Campaigns. Here you will find all of your campaigns, so just go to the campaign or maybe multiple campaigns that you want to change it to. So I'll just do it for this one, but if you have multiple you can also select them like this and then go to Edit. But I only have one, so I'll just go and click on Edit Settings right there. And then from there it will open up the settings for this campaign. Now under Budget and Bidding Optimization, go to Bidding and then here click Change Bid Strategy. Then here you can set the bid strategy to conversions or conversion value, and you can also set a target cost per action, and from there click Save, and then you have changed your bid strategy. So now you know how to change your bid strategy in Google Ads. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.